Hi, I'm Erica D'Arcangelo, CEO of Web Content Development, and welcome to Blog Talk Series.
I belong to you.
This is where I take our latest blogs off the page and bring them to life so you can put proven marketing strategies into action. Today, we're talking about why AI content, as smart as it is, can never truly replicate the magic of human creativity. AI tools are incredible for time saving and increasing efficiency, but there's something about human creativity that machines simply can't replicate. It's emotion, storytelling, intuition, and cultural awareness that gives your brand's voice, its authenticity, and spark. AI works by analyzing patterns in existing data. While it can provide impressive results quickly, it lacks genuine understanding. That's why AI-generated content can sometimes feel generic or miss the emotional depth that connects with people. Human creativity brings originality, empathy, and the ability to tell stories that resonate deeply with your audience. It's what transforms information into an experience that inspires action and loyalty. The sweet spot is when you blend the strengths of AI with human insight. Use AI for research, outlines, or repetitive tasks. Then add your unique perspective, voice, and creativity to make your content truly memorable. To recap, here's why AI can't replace human creativity. AI can generate content, but it can't feel or understand emotion. Human creativity brings originality, empathy, and cultural awareness. The best results come from blending AI efficiency with human creative touch. When you use both strategically, you get content that's fast, effective, and deeply engaging. Thank you for watching this episode of the Blog Talk series. I'll be sharing more insights from our blogs to help you strengthen your marketing reach and goals. If you'd like more guidance on creating content that resonates with your audience, visit our website to see the services we offer and how we can support you. I'm here to make sure that you have the tools, knowledge, and confidence to make your marketing work for you. See you in the next episode.